Hello, I'm Will Sampson from Woodworking Network and FDMC Magazine. We're in the shop to talk a little bit more about ear protection. Some months ago we talked about the new ISOtunes earbuds, the ISOtunes Pro and the ISOtunes ear muffs, which they call the ISOtunes Link. And what they do is they allow you to listen to music or answer a phone call while still having ear protection in the shop. They connect by Bluetooth to your phone or other device. And we found these were really great and worked really well in the shop, so you don't have to keep taking the earphones on and off, and you still have access to your music and phone calls. Now there's some new models though with new technology. ISOtunes calls it the Aware technology. And what this does, it's the same idea. They have a muff and they have an earbud option. And these pair to your iPhone or other Bluetooth enabled device, and they give you the same kind of ear protection. The muffs give you about 25 decibels and the earbuds 26 decibels. And the earbuds come in a nice little package with multiple sizes of earpieces so that you get a good fit. And when you put them on, you'll hear a little bit of a white noise situation, which you can listen to your music, which I just turned off. And but then when there is a sudden noise, the ear protection clamps down. So I can hear somebody talking over here, no problem now. But if there's a big noise, even a clap, I can hear the ear protection come in. Now I'm familiar with this previously from similar kinds of technology used for earmuffs for firearms and hunting and that sort of thing, but I've never seen it applied to a workshop situation, so I was really curious to see how it worked. First thing that we tried is nail guns. Okay, that's not real loud, but it works. You can tell that it's working. Let's go with something a little louder. Wow, I couldn't even hear it. That's great. Really, really good. Now what about, a sander? Really hear it cutting this little noise. And then when it goes down below the dangerous levels, then I hear full volume. Let's turn on a saw. Same thing. So really an interesting, handy device. I personally prefer the muffs, but that's a comfort thing. I really don't like earbuds in general, and don't like dangling cords, even though these are pretty well controlled right around your neck. I just find the ear muffs a lot better. Both these devices we found paired real easily with the Bluetooth. You just turn them on and they start looking for your Bluetooth signal, and you do whatever is necessary on your device to have it recognize that there is somebody wanting to connect, and then it connects and you're good to go. And you can adjust the volume. There's controls on each of these so that you can adjust it. Depending on the device you're using, you may have to play with it a little bit to get it to work right initially, but once you get all the settings working, then you're good to go. And definitely a great thing to add to your safety in the shop, so that you can still deal with phones and music, and now even listening to other voices in the shop and that sort of thing, until the sound level gets past a dangerous zone. So it's worth checking it out. Its company is ISOtunes, and you can find them online pretty easily. ISOtunes. That's what we got for today. If you want to see more tool reviews and product reviews and the latest woodworking news, go to woodworkingnetwork.com or look in the pages of FDMC magazine. Thanks for watching.